Olympic Games Day 1 medals tally: Australia 3 gold, 2 silver and total 5 medals. China 2 gold and 1 bronze, 3 medals. USA 5 medals, 1 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze. France at the 4th place, 1 gold, 2 silver, 1 bronze, 4 medals. Republic of Korea 3 medals, 1 bronze, 1 silver, 1 gold. Belgium 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 bronze. Japan 2 medals, 1 gold, 1 bronze. Kazakhstan 1 gold and 1 bronze, 2 medals. Germany 1 gold, 1 medal. Hong Kong 1 gold. Italy is at 11th place with 3 medals, 1 silver and 2 bronze. Great Britain is at 12th place, 1 silver and 1 bronze, 2 medals. Canada 1 silver at 13th place. Fiji at 13th place with 1 silver. Mongolia is also at 13th place with 1 silver medal. Tunisia 1 silver medal at 13th place. Spain is at 17th place with 1 bronze medal, followed by Hungary 1 bronze medal. South Africa 1 bronze medal. Sweden 1 bronze medal.